lockdown period. And good thing is that guys, these all are apps are sort of free apps, so you don't have to pay any premium price for that. Yes, there are some of the premium features available, but again, if you are sort of a beginner, then even the free features are very good and you are good to go with. So let's talk about for them one by one. And the first app in this list is the Y Music. And if you guys know that if you are a sort of a very heavy user of YouTube and want to stream lot of music videos on the YouTube app, official YouTube app, then you might be aware that these apps will consume a very much amount of data. So what does this Y Music app exactly does is that it will play your favorite music video as it is, but you can choose between the either you want to play it in the music video format or only in the audio format. For example, if you choose a one video file, then you can play it as a video or as well as a audio, and even after closing the app you can listen to your favorite music in the background, which something which is not available in the official YouTube app. And if you want to use it then in the official YouTube app, then you have to, you know that you have to pay the premium price for that by purchasing the YouTube Premium. So biggest advantage I would say in this app is it is free to use, and again you can also download your favorite music and favorite video uh, by just clicking the download button, and that too in the different format like a 720p Full HD, and also in the MP3 file as well MP3 file in the different bitrate like a 320 kbps, 128 kbps. So very nifty app, not take a lot of space, but again very good app, not available in the official Play Store, but it is developed by the XDA developers, same developers community which develops the Google camera ports for the different devices. Another good app is the Quora, that if you are sort of a person that can answer a lot of a question and ask a lot of question, so this app is for you. You can ask a lot of question there, and also write a answer of this question. I have also my profile on the Quora app, and also answer some of the tech related questions, so you can follow me on the Quora as well. Good app if you are sort of a person who can answer a lot of questions on the different topics like food, shopping, your favorite hobby, music, technology, etc. Another good app is for the music lover, that is called as a Riyaz. If you are sort of person who loves music and likes to learn singing and want to learn singing, but during this lockdown period you can't join any classes, so this is one of the best apps to learn music at home. Just download the app. It is free to download, but again there are some of the features which is a premium. You can buy a course, but if you are sort of beginner to start with, you can learn with this app. All you need is just a mobile phone and a good headphone with an internet connection. This app requires internet connection and headphone for the monitor your voice, how your voice pitch is there. I have learned so many things in this app. I have learned the Indian classical music, so you can also try this app. Very good app. I like it very much. Another good app is the Medium. So in this app it is very similar to the Quora, but again it is an app which in which you can post your articles via just in the form of just story. You in the Quora app you can post your articles via question answer. In this app you can post your articles in the form of the story on the different topics, and you can also read the different story of the writers. So it is also very good app, very similar to Quora, but again in the form of the stories. Another good app in this list is the SoundCloud. If you are sort of a professional music player and you plays a lots of musical instrument, or you are a professional singer, then you can post your different music related covers in this app. Yes, YouTube, we all know that YouTube is also very big platform, but then again this is also very good platform to post your music related stuff, and you can also listen different artists on this app. A very good app, free to download on the Play Store. So guys, those were some of the useful apps that you can use during this lockdown period. I hope you like this video. I will be providing the all the link of these apps in the description below, so you can download them and check it out. Take care guys. I hope to see you in my next video, and do not forget to like and share and subscribe this channel. Take care guys.